I'm going hot.
Was just cracked out of the box, so I'm just gonna dip that.
I want to try the custard creams.
All right, let's see, guys. I don't know how long, Phil, so I'm gonna let it sit in there.
Dude, look at this thing, dude.
What the?
You got a big poof?
Testing.
I got poofy.
Oh, the poof. So that
it chilled me out, yeah. Chilled me out.
That came with it, Mike?
It's really for wind, but yeah. Testing, testing, testing.
Blow hard.
Testing.
Testing.
Okay.
What is up, guys? Woo! Welcome back to another video. So if you saw the unboxing video last week or whenever it was, I mentioned in the beginning that I have this box here. This is all the way from the UK from my subscriber Phil, and it's tea and cookies, or as he would say, cool. Tea and biscuits. So he wants us to try some of these. I'm not sure how much of this we're gonna be able to eat, but I mean, if you're interested in having some fun with myself, Lisa, and TJ, then stick around.
Tea and crumpets. We're going to have some tea and crumpets. Or biscuits.
Biscuits and yeah. There we go. Hey Mike, after our recent conversation regarding beverages, you mentioned that Lady Lisa drank tea, so please find enclosed some proper English tea in bagged form and some biscuits, not cookies, biscuits. Remember to dunk them. If you need to find out what dunking is, Google it. Have you never heard of Dunkin' Donuts?
I know, right? We know what Dunkin' is.
A whole damn chain of those things.
I didn't realize that Yanks drank tea. Well, I never. Hope you guys enjoy, Phil. Oh my God.
I'm a Texan, Phil.
Phil, what the hell, dude?
Holy
so here we have, this actually looked pretty good. The Hobnobs, the Odie one.
What? Is that cheese?
Oh, these are probably so good. Bourbon
Wait,
creams.
You're going too quick.
Sorry.
Oh, this is. Oh, cookies. Rolled oats.
Cookies.
Okay.
All right, so this is
Earl Grey tea, right?
Yeah, tea. We got some 1 cup tea.
We got multiple kinds. That's cool.
It doesn't really say.
It's very lovely.
Thai fu. Tea.
Tea. Whoa.
Yorkshire.
Green tea?
Oh, what?
Each one's going to be a different kind, so let's see.
I'm trying
here.
to figure it out. Looks like one of these opened or something.
This is just a regular tea.
when it's time for a cuppa, the average Brit leaves the bag in for 1 minute, dunks 3 times, and adds a splash of milk. Always boil fresh water and brew for 2 to 3 minutes before adding milk. But your perfect brew?
Wow.
It's up to you.
Oh, this is what we already have.
These look delicious.
Different flavor.
So this is like authentic UK
Original.
tea and cookies is what they eat.
We do not have any of this stuff in America. None of it. I work in a grocery store. I would know.
Yeah, no, I've never seen these
I've never
brands
seen
before.
any of these things, guys.
Toasties, bourbon creams.
Oh my God.
I mean, they straight up say biscuit on it, so.
They ain't cookies, they're biscuits.
Biscuits. Yeah, I mean, these really are biscuits. They're not cookies, so you're right.
Each biscuit.
These are definitely not cookies.
I'm actually not seeing many chemicals in them as much as like our food.
Yeah, we have a lot more.
Thiamine, vegetable oils, that's pretty normal.
This
Sugar.
literally has 5
There's
ingredients.
actually says sugar instead of like
This has 5 ingredients.
Dextrin.
Really?
That's it.
Oh,
All right,
yeah.
so guys, in America,
They
we
do.
have a problem with putting additives in everything. And that means anything from ketchup all the way up to, milk. Anything you can think of, we put additives in.
Which is why I buy organic
In
now.
other countries, you guys actually use real sugar and real,
Yeah, I know. It actually says sugar.
actual real ingredients.
This one I think said cane sugar. All right, cool. So I don't know. I guess we're gonna try a cookie. We have to.
There's going to be a
Biscuit.
lot of crumbs.
Can you
Biscuit.
brew a cup of tea, Lisa?
Yeah.
All right. So brew up a cup of tea.
I feel like I want to try this one. But,
Yeah.
oh, wait. Is there caffeine?
No, one of them's caffeine free.
I might need the caffeine-free one. It's kind of late.
I think it was this one.
How do you know?
It said decaf. I saw it.
Oh.
Oh, this one's black tea. This definitely has caffeine.
Oh, why not try
That's
okay.
black tea.
Yeah,
Now
no,
I see
it just says why not try Thai food
Oh.
decaf.
But wait, black tea. Oh, they're all gonna be. Black tea is like a shrine.
So wait a second. Is this like a?
Oh, this one's open already.
A backwards
so I'll do
Oreo?
this
Oh my
one.
god, that's so many.
I'll just do it for Duncan. Duncan. All right.
I kind of want. I want one of these cookies here.
I mean, yeah.
Biscuits.
Biscuits.
The Odie one. Should we open this?
Yeah.
They're really crushed. All
Yeah.
the bags seems like they're a little crushed.
All right, so this is the Hobnobs, the Odie one.
It's a biscuit.
Recommended
ev-
serving an entire package.
You know, every Brit's gonna be punching their screen. Cookies.
That's really good. By the way, there's a pizza on the way to the house, so.
Well, I can safely say that that's delicious and
It's got vanilla.
would taste really good if it was in coffee. You see, Phil, in America, we drink coffee, but we do drink tea. But like, we're more coffee than tea.
That's pretty good.
But this is pretty cool. I like to incorporate other cultures into my house, so maybe me and my family will start doing this.
I bet you these are amazing. Oh my god.
Any of these three cookies. We only had one, Lisa.
Well, that was delicious.
Every flavor was really good.
I'm not sure we're gonna be able to make everything in this
But-
package, Phil, but I will be sure to report back to you.
Yeah, I mean, tea's good.
So what did you guys try with that one?
We tried
Hobnob.
Hobnobs.
Supposed to dunk. Oh, this is the one that looks the best to me.
You're making 3 cups? How are we all gonna dunk?
Yeah, I'll show
You're
you.
gonna split it into 3 cups?
Mmm.
They're quite good.
This one's good.
These things, you've never eaten those before, Mikey?
Yeah, of course.
Maria cookies. That's
I wanna
what-
try
that's what
these.
this is.
Can we try these? Listen to this, listen to this, listen to this. Sandwich biscuits filled with chocolate flavor cream. There's not a whole bunch of bad stuff.
So good.
Should I open these?
Yeah.
Yo,
chocolate.
this is suitable for vegetarians too.
This is the stuff you can come to expect on Mike's Hobby Planet.
Yeah, I mean,
Hot Wheels, airplanes.
and now munchies from another country.
Mmm.
Can I have one of those,
Bro,
please?
this might start something crazy.
Can I have one of those, please?
We're gonna-
Yeah. You know what I really want to try? I'm not gonna lie
These
to
are
you guys.
good.
What I really want to try is some candy from like Indonesia. That's what I want to try. Some candy from
All right,
Southeast
now we're
Asia.
trying Toasties bourbon cream.
This is pretty damn good.
Thanks, dude.
Oh, mine is broken in half.
Let's see.
I'm gonna pick a new one. Oh yeah, there's some from. This is why I got a plate. You guys not liking it?
Are we gonna do
No,
it?
it's delicious.
Yeah.
Are we gonna do it the way it said to do it?
Yeah, we got it. Yeah.
Well, I mean, with the what's said on the thing. No, sorry,
Splash
guys.
of milk.
Yeah, that. Are we gonna do
I'm
it the way it
preparing
says?
it.
Hell yeah.
This is good too.
This is dangerous. What are you doing? Yes, Phil. Why are you doing this? It's so good. This is
Pretty
really,
good.
really good.
Crumbled.
Very good.
That's pretty okay.
Let's just slow down. All right, let me check on the tea.
Well, I like food.
I could have never imagined any of this when
No,
I started
this
my
is
YouTube
crazy.
channel. Hey,
I don't know
Mike.
what the hell is going on right now? But
In 4 years and 9 months, you will be sitting in Florida eating cookies from the UK for a
Yeah.
YouTube video.
This- that somebody sent you
With
because-
TJ.
Yeah, I know. An internet friend. Yeah, it was pretty
I
cool.
met TJ on Xbox, by the way, guys.
Yeah, we became
In like
friends playing video
20...
games. 2015, 2016, around that time. Holy sh!
Oh,
All right,
wow.
let me let Lisa back in here so
I
we
have to
can.
edit so many swears out.
We can all.
We got some tea.
No, so what do you want to
I'm
try
going
next?
Hobnob again, bro.
You going
That
for another
was the
hobnob?
best. Yep. I'm
This
going
was just
hobnob.
cracked out of the box, so I'm just gonna dip that.
I want to try the custard creams.
All right, let's see, guys. I don't know how
Oh.
long, Phil, so I'm gonna let it sit in
Dude,
there.
this,
Oh.
look at this thing, dude.
What the hell?
I'm gonna go
It
with
softens it up perfectly. We can't double dip though.
Oh my God, Phil.
Mm.
oh man,
What have you
Oh, you
done?
opened a new one?
What has he done? What is that?
This is so
Custard?
good.
Oh
Mullen?
my God.
Wow.
Well,
These are made to dunk.
well, all right.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna go back with another hobnob.
Which
Alright,
tea
I'm
is
gonna-
this?
Oh,
Hobnob.
they're all just black tea.
Oh my God. Oh my God, they're so good.
Ooh.
Well, I feel like I'm hanging out
Oh, these are really good.
in the British guy right
Right.
now.
Thank you, Phil.
These are the best so far.
You know, my British friend never shared these things like this with me.
Wow, it's so soft.
Yeah, it's perfect.
All right,
I
we're
didn't
going
even know
for
that
this
could be a thing.
This one broke off. It's not a double dip.
TJ,
Why?
try the custard.
Yeah, those
I
are
am. I just ate it right now.
Oh yeah. I gotta dip this one. Because I really liked these.
Wow. We can't fill it before we try
Oh,
it.
Yeah, I
we get
know.
sick?
We gotta. Oh,
Where are we going to put all these
These
so they
I
don't go
like-
stale?
I know you can't open all of them.
We have to.
No,
We
save a couple.
can't.
We got to open this at least.
Save a couple.
No,
Yes, these are chocolate creams.
dude, these are all gonna go. We already
gonna
have
eat
a
'em when you
chocolate
get
one.
back.
open.
Different brand. No,
We
that's
have to come
bourbon
back.
cream.
We gotta do it part two.
Bourbon cream, chocolate cream.
Yeah, this is totally different. No,
No.
no,
Lisa, we have to.
they're gonna go stale.
I've waited 2 months for
All right,
this.
whatever. All right, so I like these
I'm gonna
not
burp.
dunked better.
Yeah, me
these
too.
dunked and these dunked are.
Delicious.
I think these are good dunked. Are you okay over
I'm
here?
good. I just had to take a breath.
I
Oh my
just
God.
I don't want to eat it yet.
So,
You don't like it?
That's delicious. I want this one.
Phil, I'm gonna die.
Phil's probably screaming, going,
Phil, I'm sick.
the
right now.
digestive biscuits are the best. You gotta
I
eat
know you should
them.
have ate that first because it says digestive right
Aw.
on it.
No.
That probably set us up.
I don't
for
want to
eating all
open
the
all.
trash.
I get it, I get it, I
Mike
get it.
already.
This is a video.
Phil, so
It's not about our snacking later.
Phil, do you do this every single time you have tea? Please comment about that.
I don't know. Does he?
I don't know. What's their ritual? You know, what do they do?
Yeah, these
Dude,
These are the best.
I like this
these
the best.
and these I don't like dunked though. I like them by themselves.
It's like an oatmeal cookie, but
Yeah.
not.
So, yeah, I guess I'm just gonna have to. I don't know if anyone else but Phil actually cares, but I'm gonna have to get back to you about how delicious each tea is.
Yeah, I guess we could.
But I mean, this is fun. This
What's
is something
this?
different. if
If
anybody
sip
wants
it.
to send food from other countries,
Please.
We'll do
if
taste
you
testing.
want to see more of his face,
We'll have to come back.
I have to estimate
can't open
is probably about 500 or so that are gonna watch it, because it seems like there's about 500 people that watch whatever I put out. And thank you for that.
This was fun though.
This
It
was definitely fun.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed
Tea
our
and
taste
biscuits.
testing.
From UK.
Tea and biscuits with Phil.
I hope you enjoyed
Trying
watching.
tea throughout the week.
Yes.
I kind of want to try
or
the tea
maybe
in a cup.
Throughout the month.
I want
Yeah,
to.
like all by yourself.
Yeah,
have
I
a
know, I
tea.
guess-
Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah.
get-
We just
No,
did
let
this
me
to
get-
represent
Yeah.
what we
I
needed
forgot
to
we
do.
really want to try it. But I
Yeah,
just don't
we'll
want to
try the
do it
tea, and then
finally.
we'll see you in the next video after we try the tea.
This is unexpected and delicious. I do feel like I'm going to vomit. That was a ton of sugar I just consumed in a very short amount of time. I don't regret it. Even if I do throw up, I still don't regret it. I love food, man. But yeah, wow. I have to know if you guys, if this is how you guys do that.
Excuse me.
It must be. I mean, the
Like-
cookies are literally advertised as
We got.
To eat it with the
biscuits.
This is
Yeah,
probably gonna spill.
The biscuits
so-
are telling you to have it with tea. Like,
Yeah.
have a tea with biscuits.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what happens.
Yeah, we're gonna have some spillage here.
What do I got? Hello Kitty
Oh,
cup.
yours is hubby.
Hubby.
Hello, hubby. I don't care.
Is it
I
hot?
like Hello Kitty.
It should be. All right. Wait. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Tea from the UK.
With
like
milk
tea.
is a
Can I
completely
take a
different
selfie?
thing, dude.
I
Like,
always use
yeah.
milk and tea.
Bro,
Can I
I've
take a
never done
selfie?
that before. Of course.
So,
I don't, my phone is over there though, so I need yours.
Phil, you make tea how I do with milk. I always liked a little milk.
I have never had it with
Very good.
milk, and it was delicious.
Guys, if you made it to the end, then I hope you enjoyed watching. This was a lot of fun. Phil, thanks so much for sending this stuff in.
Biscuits.
Yeah, biscuits. It was all the things I thought it would be, and now we got a bunch of snacks to lunchtime when we're watching a movie. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.